Lumogaze Smileasego Dentures review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. When you lose a tooth or need a denture kit, the market is full of offers promising fast fixes and great prices. But most people get this wrong. They focus just on a sticker price and ignore comfort, fit and long-term value. Here's why this matters with Smileasego. The product is marketed as a premium denture kit or set upper and lower using silicone reline for improved comfort. Prices listed online show around 4050 in the Indian import market for a full set. What you get: a more tailored denture fit compared to generic ones, thanks to silicone reline which adapts to your gums and reduces slippage and discomfort. If you'll wear daily, comfort is a meaningful benefit. Also be cost effective compared to lab-made dentures in some clinics, which may cost much more. What you give up: the cost is still substantial for a denture kit from an import brand. After import duties, fitting costs and adjustments, total expense may climb. A denture is only as good as the fit, the aftercare and your maintenance. If alignment or fit is poor, you may incur additional dental visits or replacements. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Check what is included: the full upper and lower set, reline materials, instructions and whether fit adjustments are allowed. Step 2. Compare with local denturist or dentist pricing. What would a comparable local set cost? Step 3. Consider your usage. If you'll wear these daily, comfort and durability matter more than lowest price. Step 4. Read user feedback. Does the kit arrive as promised? How are the materials, silicone versus hard base? Is after sale support available? You won't believe what happens next if you buy purely on lowest cost. A poorly fitting denture causes discomfort, speech problems, and you end up paying more to correct it. The surprising truth: in denture kits, comfort, longevity and fit matter far more than an entry-level price. In conclusion, if you need a denture set and can verify the materials, fit and support, the Smileasego kit can deliver solid value. If you're on a tight budget or uncertain about fit and aftercare, consider visiting a local professional for evaluation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more dental product pricing explained and what you're really paying for.